Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. If this is your first time here, this channel is for resellers. I do a lot of what's sold on eBay videos so that you can increase your knowledge about what items are selling right now on eBay. And I also show hauls from auctions, thrift stores, garage sales, and stuff like that. So today's going to be what's sold on eBay. It was a little bit slower day for us. So we have $284 going out, and then we also have a few viewer sales. So let's get to it. Alright, so first up on eBay we have these multimedia gaming speakers. These were off of an electronics pallet that we got, and we did recall these from Amazon FBA because they didn't sell. They are Black Web brand, and we just have a couple dollars in. We got a big electronics pallet probably close to a year now, and these sold for $11.40 plus shipping. And then up next we have a camera. This is from my camera unboxing video. I did get a big lot of cameras at Shop Goodwill online, and I am in the profit on them. One of the cameras in there sold for over $150, so that put us in profit. Most of them were lower cost cameras. When I buy lots, I try and look for one high ticket item that will pay for the whole lot, which is what happened. And this one here is a little Olympus Trip MD3 camera. It is a film camera, and this one sold for $22.74. I would still say pick these up if you can find them at garage sales for $1 or so, because they do sell pretty fast. It's been less than a month, and yeah, that one's 22 bucks. And then up next, I did find this at my local thrift store. It is an animal repellent. I think you hook the hose up to it, and then it has a motion sensor, and if an animal comes in that vicinity, it sprays the animal with water. Yeah. So this one I've had for a few months. I paid, I believe, $3 for it at my local thrift store, and this one sold for $30.71 plus shipping. Buyer is $46.29 all in. Anything in the box, if you see it, guys, just search on eBay for the barcode, which is covered up in this case. So on this one, I just searched this and looked for this box, but it does have the model number there. So I searched that on eBay to find my comps. And then up next, this is actually the last of some jerseys that I got. So this jersey is the last one. I think I paid $5 a piece for these. It was at a big garage sale that was actually someone who buys storage lockers. And this one is a Miami Dolphins. It is Zach Thomas, number 54. And this one is Champion. And you can see down here it's size 48. So I paid $5 for this one. It took a few months to sell. It sold for $28.96 plus shipping. Buyers $36.69 all in. I love jerseys. If you see jerseys, definitely look into them. They might not sell super fast, but for the most part you can get at least $20, if not more, on those. And I found quite a few at yard sales for $1 and clothes piles, so keep an eye out for those. And then up next, we have some Soma panties. These are Soma off of the QVC palette. They are brand new, sealed in the package. These I have about $5 in. They sold for $39.48. Free shipping. Buyers $42.74 all in because of tax. And then we have two jewelry sales. One is out of our copper lot, and then one is out of the new southwestern lot. So these earrings, I have about 50 cents in. They're really pretty. They actually separate there with the glitter, with the cutout. And these I put as teardrop antique lace. So that's really delicate there. That's one way to describe stuff that looks like that. There you go. And they are teardrop shape, and the hoop. And then this other one, and I'm not sure individually because I only see a total here, but the buyer did pay $33.49 plus shipping. They're $42.89 all in on both of these pairs of earrings. This is the other pair. These are very pretty. These are another lace. So both of these earrings are similar styles. I don't know. I think this might be a viewer sale. So Glenda, if you are a viewer, I do appreciate it. And then these are marked LC there, which is Lauren Conrad. And these I put silver lace hoop teardrop as well. So they're both the same style. And yeah, we'll be getting both of those out. And I have $3 in, and so probably about a $27, $28 profit after fees. Up next is another camera. This one was in that same lot. This one is a Canon PowerShot Digital. The film cameras that are older definitely do way better than digital, but this is only 3.2 megapixels. You would think that it wouldn't sell, but it did. Only took a little over a month. And this one sold for $11.99 plus shipping. Buyers $15.79 all in. And I had 5 in, but that one camera did make all of this a profit. And the last one for eBay, and then I'll show you guys the viewer sales. This one is going out to Miss Nikki T. Wheeler, which a lot of you might know. If you don't, I'm going to post her husband's channel up here, Rev Resale, who is awesome. He was on one of our live shows with us. So she bought this really cute teddy bear for her daughter. It's really cute. It's a tie, but it's one of the big ones. It is still new with the tag. So Nikki and Rev, I greatly appreciate your purchase. And they are $16.57 in. It is free shipping. It should go first class. So I'll probably make about $8 on that. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. So next up are 3 viewer sales that were purchased directly from me, not from my eBay store. The first is going out to Dave, Midwest Picker. He has a great channel and a lot of information on glass. He's a nurse as well. And Dave bought these Clint Eastwood photos, which are really cool, out of my recent photo haul. And Dave got these 3 for, I believe, $20 plus shipping. So Dave, I greatly appreciate your purchase and your support. Up next are 2 jewelry lots. They are going out to 2 of my favorite people. One is going out to Colton over at Redneck Resale. So I'll pop his up here. Colton and Courtney are really great. They're full-time resellers. So they bought this jewelry lot to resell. I sold some because I didn't really have time to list everything. And I have a car full of stuff right now. Yeah. So I have way too much stuff. I'm trying to stop the auction. So Colton and Courtney are getting all of this. There is tons and tons of it. This is all named. It did take me 5 hours to separate this from the other lot that Dawn's getting. These are all named pieces. Dawn is getting the unnamed. I will show you guys. Maybe this is over 20 pounds. It's very heavy. So Dawn's getting a lot of stuff. There are hundreds of pieces in here. So Colton and Dawn both saw my video a couple of days ago and sent me an email, and that's going out to them today. So both of you guys, Dawn has purchased for me in the past as well. She's been a great supporter of me and the channel, and I appreciate it a lot. So I think that is everything that's going out as far as sales. I might give you guys a little sneak peek into my car. We definitely can't go through it all. There is a lot of stuff that you'll see. I'll show you here in a minute. So I had to get the shelf to move in stuff from my car. Let's go look. All right, where should we start? So look, I might have went a little bit overboard this time. Maybe. Like, so my car's full to the brim. This side, here's my poor trunk. There's like really no room. So that's why I had to buy the shelf. But there's some cool stuff in here. This little thing, I don't know. A photo bear. Yeah. This I got a few weeks ago and never took out, and then it was in my way today. These are selling for like 14 bucks a can. Scotch Guard protectant for rugs and carpet. So that's not bad. And then I gotta look up some of these. Some of these vintage little things do okay. I don't know if this is vintage. Oh, look, that says 1969. But I don't know if they had barcodes. Let's see if this thing works. Oh man, he doesn't work. So I might have to put some new batteries in him and check him out. And then I got this lot mainly for that brass bear. There's a couple of cameras in here too that might be okay. I don't even know what this is. It says it's 50 bucks. What the heck? Pier 1 Imports. Okay, well, maybe I didn't do as bad as I thought. I bid pretty high on that box, but I'm scared to open the door. Okay, we survived. Yeah. You can't even get in the car. I went a little crazy. There's some cool ornaments in there. Anyways, I'll probably show you guys some more as I unload it, but yeah, I went to the auction, and I still have to go on Friday to another auction. So yeah, we're gonna unload this. I hope I can fit it all on the shelves. I hope I can list some stuff real fast. There are some really cool things in here, and yeah, so I'm gonna start unloading, and I'll show you guys more in a little bit. All right, guys, so I'm actually gonna wrap it up here. I think the video is long enough. I'll show you guys a couple things. Like, you can see the cute little bears right there. I did get a factory radio. I paid $14. The hard thing with a lot of these is, like, I couldn't see the model number on this, but they are selling for about $50 to $75. So it's just a stock radios can be really good money. You can get 100, 200 bucks for them. They are a little bit longer tail, but they sell. So definitely a great pickup. And then I got this cool little Mayan figure. I paid 10 for him. I think I should be able to get around 100. He's a clay figure. And then I also got this, which is a really cute box by itself, but it was full of vintage watches. One of them is a Rolex. And I did find this exact Rolex. It is a vintage one. The one I found sold for like $160. Not too bad. And I think I spent like $20 on that lot. It had this and some old necklaces and stuff. So I will do another video, kind of go through that stuff with you guys. It's probably going to need its own video. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching very much. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.